We've got somebody in the woods there messing about, doing naughties. What's this going to be? This is just for Sally. Oh, we've got somebody else having a... What's going on here? Is it a swing party? There's the words. Snogging that woman. I don't know what them two are doing over there. What's going on here? This is a bit rude for a Sunday. Just like a swingers party or they're dogging. Are they dogging? Oh, you don't get dogging on catchphrase, do you? Just dogging fit. Sunday orgy, I don't know what's going on there. Aging kiss, I don't think it's that. Do you want to move on, Sally? Not sure what's going on there, but it looks rather bloody naughty. Dogging wood. Right, we'll move on. Oh, that's fascinating. See what that is. Dare see what's going to come up next. Oh, blimey, it's another couple having a go. They're all at it in the woods. Fucking hell, they think you had stuff like this on catchphrase. What the hell is going on? I daren't put another tile off there. You don't know what you're going to bloody say. It's a gangbang. It's a gangbang in the woods. A dogging party or something. I ain't got a Scooby-Doo. What's going on? French kiss? Oh, it might be that. Who said that? Who said that? David said French kiss. Is he the first one to say French kiss? Yeah, I think he is. I think it is French kiss. Let's have a look. I didn't put the tiles down because I don't know what I'm going to say. Yes! See what's going on now. Oh, they've all got the clothes on. Oh, that's a bit disappointing, that is. They've all got the clothes on. Oh, blimey, I've got tears rolling down my eyes here. What the fuck's going on a Sunday? I don't know. Oh,